You certainly have heard about turmeric already, right? If you still don't know its benefits, watch the video being suggested to you to learn more about this powerful root. Turmeric is a well-known spice in cuisines, thanks to its orange color that improves the appearance and flavor of many dishes. Its characteristic color comes from a compound called curcumin, which acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory and natural analgesic. To give you an idea of the power of curcumin, it regulates the inflammatory imbalances in tissues, destroys harmful pathogens, and creates a protective layer against infectious agents. Today, more than 2,000 published studies show the amazing benefits of this plant to treat and prevent cancer. These studies have shown that curcumin, the active compound of turmeric, inhibits the growth of cancer cells, besides preventing many types of cancer, including breast, lung, stomach, liver, and colon cancer. Contrary to popular drugs used in chemotherapy, such as tamoxifen, turmeric extract can easily differentiate between normal and cancer cells, activating the death, apoptosis, of cancer cells. And all of that happens without side effects. Besides that, curcumin, when combined with these drugs, increase their action during chemotherapy. Now that you know the benefits of turmeric, you must be asking yourself, how do I consume it? We will share a recipe suggested by the Canadian doctor Carolyn Anderson. She deeply investigated the effects of turmeric after her mother was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, one of the most severe types known. Are you enjoying the video? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. According to her, when turmeric is taken as a capsule or by itself, it is poorly absorbed by the body. It is best to combine it with other ingredients. One of these ingredients is black pepper, which must be diluted in olive oil. When this combination meets turmeric, its absorption is increased by up to 2,000%. Black pepper has a compound called piperine, which has a mild heat, and it is known for its antioxidant properties. You can use it as a tea or paste. Olive oil is one of the main ingredients of a healthy diet, an essential part of the Mediterranean diet. Many studies have shown olive oil to be one of the best to treat health issues, like inflammations, chronic diseases, etc. Dr. Anderson suggests mix 1/4 teaspoon of powdered turmeric with 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil and a generous pinch of black pepper. Add this mixture to soups, salad dressings, vegetables, etc. As to the frequency of consumption, you can eat it whenever you want. You can use this 3-ingredients dressing on your salads. The mixture of these powerful ingredients will facilitate the absorption of nutrients for your body. Isn't it amazing? Try it and share your experience with us.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.